Juicy, browned, but not overcooked, sauteed shrimp with plenty of killer sauce to dip bread into is the perfect quick cooking, luxurious weeknight or date night meal. And it's super easy to make with the proper technique. Start by tossing a ½ pound of jumbo shrimp with 2 tablespoons of olive oil, followed by a ½ teaspoon of Diamond Crystal kosher salt and a ¼ teaspoon of sugar. And hey, listen, I totally get it. Jumbo shrimp cost more per pound than the smaller ones, but they are totally 100% utterly worth plunking down the extra cash for. It's impossible to get nice browning on the little guys without overcooking them into rubbery C-shaped hockey pucks. So keep an eye out for the jumbos to go on sale and stock up like they're paper towels in March of 2020. Preheat a large sauté pan over a medium-low flame, then spread your shrimp out in an even layer with room between each piece. No need to add extra oil to the pan. Sear them for 2 minutes or until the first side is nicely browned, turn off the heat completely, flip the shrimp over, let them sit for another 90 seconds on the uncooked side, and then transfer them all to a plate where the residual heat will finish cooking them through. The combination of these simple techniques, adding that small pinch of sugar, limiting the amount of oil in the pan, and giving each shrimp plenty of room to breathe while they cook, yield that mouth-watering tiger-spotted char that we're after here. While the shrimp sit on that plate and finish coming up to temperature, we're going to use these little brown bits left behind to whip up a quick pan sauce. Using low heat, melt 6 tablespoons of butter in the pan your shrimp was in, then add 5 cloves of coarsely minced garlic, and an optional sprinkle of red pepper flakes. Turn the heat up to medium-low, cook just until the garlic becomes fragrant, then add ½ cup of white wine and cook for 2 to 3 minutes until the sauce reduces, thickens a bit, and doesn't taste boozy anymore. Add your shrimp back into the pan, coat it with the sauce, and finish it with some chopped parsley, a few cranks of ground black pepper, zest from ½ a lemon, some additional salt to taste if needed, and you're good to go. The shrimp and a big chunk of crusty bread to soak up all that heavenly sauce are all you really need to make a satisfying meal. But toss the shrimp along with the pan sauce over a quick cooking pasta like angel hair, and serve it with a little side of salad greens and thinly sliced fennel, topped with a drizzle of olive oil, a spritz of lemon juice, and a pinch of salt for a restaurant quality meal that's ready in about 30 minutes. Please subscribe if you enjoyed the video. It helps me out a bunch and I'd really appreciate it. Later, nerds.